The CM5006-COB Size strip light. Product description. 1. Power supply 12 volts to the 24 volt. 2. Wide voltage input 10 to 30 volts DC. Compatible with various vehicle electrical systems. 3. Advanced Reflow Welding uses high temperature solid paste for secure lead bonding. 4. YB manual 180 luminous angle for uniform lighting. 5. COB size 6 mm x 500 mm. 6. Waterproof rating IP67 suitable for outdoor and rugged environments. 7. Customizable lengths available in 300 mm, 500 mm, 1000 mm, 1500 mm or longer upon request. 8. Easy installation, strong 3M backing for quick mounting. Applications. Interior ambient lighting enhances cabin mode with soft, colorful lighting. Side marker lights increase side visibility for safety. Auxiliary turn signals improves directional indication clarity. Driving safety lights adds visibility in dry or thirst conditions. Key features. Wide voltage design 10 to 30 VDC for flexible power compatibility. Color options red, yellow, blue, green, and white. Enhanced safety improves both appearance and road awareness. Double copper PCB provides superior heat dissipation and durability. Flip chip technology increases resistance to high temperature. Waterproof and impact resistant, built to withstand harsh vehicle environments. Long lifespan, reliable performance up to 50,000 hours. Installation reminder. This product is equipped with 3-on double-sided adhesive backing. Before installation, please clean and dry the surface where it will be mounted. Use alcohol wipes to remove any dust or oil to ensure strong adhesion and prevent the strip from falling off.